Hi, I'm Keith Bobrovsky. Welcome to another Delta Scientific Product Spotlight. Today featuring the DSC 1400 series model of bolt-down vehicle barriers. Behind me we have the DSC 1425 Electromechanical bolt-down wedge barrier system. This barrier system will stop a vehicle traveling at moderate speeds and is perfect for rental car applications or anywhere that you need to slow and stop vehicle traffic at your commercial or government facility. This is electromechanical unit that operates seamlessly with the push of a button. Unique to this vehicle barrier system is the ease at which you could install it. This can be bolted down to an existing, very shallow concrete slab, and you can have access control set up in a matter of minutes. Thanks for watching. Check out Delta Scientific's YouTube channel for more information on our other amazing products and our website for incredible information about our entire series of wedge barriers, gates, bollards, barriers, and kiosks. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.